Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Flashscore application, thereby receiving reminders of competitions, matches and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby going to your settings. And then you should click on this push notifications icon, which is the second one written in red. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings. And here you should allow the application to access your notifications. So click on the second option and then tap on this button, thereby allowing notifications. So if we go back to the application, you are going to see that this enable push notifications function has been updated. So it is turned on now. Here, if you tap on this detailed notification settings, you are ready to do further settings, like you can select whether you would like to get notifications from my games or of my team. So these are the first two options, so click on them if you would like to turn them on. Here you can also select the notification sound. Going back, you can also select a particular sport of which you would like to receive a notification. So for example, if you are interested in soccer matches, then click on it, and here you are going to see a bunch of options such as reminder before start. You will get meaning that you will get a notification which serves as a reminder before the match starts. So here you are a vast variety of other options: start of second half, final result, goal scorer, and so on. So if you would like to turn on any of these, just simply click on the relevant button next to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.